I bought the cheapest nail kit on Amazon. Let's see if it's worth it. So this is a nail kit. It is the Tomica Clear Acrylic Nail Tips Kit. These names, y'all, they be getting me with these names. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. All right, this is different. So we got, wow, it's little. Okay, we got the nail lamp, nail glue, nail tip cutter. All right, and nail file, more instructions. And we have the false nail kit. I like this box. It's actually pretty nice. This file though is really thin. Like, can y'all see how thin that is? This is a plastic one. The one that I use is metal, so, and it's loud. So let's see what the instructions say. Okay, that's basic kind of prep stuff. Okay, so I'm noticing that these newer kind of kits, they don't instruct you to put anything like a base coat on. So we're just gonna do what they say. All right, so let's see what these look like. It has the numbers, so you can keep everything organized. These are coffin shaped. This is what that is looking like. They seem like they'll fit. Oh, okay. The size 0 fits my thumb perfectly, so we're gonna go with that. I'm just gonna switch and get my sizes. And I must say that I really do appreciate this coming in this case. It makes everything easier. It's probably cheaper to put the nail tips in bags, but I really, really like this case. So it comes with the nail glue, which I am assuming this is some type of gel type stuff. Then this is the nail lamp, which looks mighty similar to the Beatles one. I swear everybody is kind of just doing the same thing when it comes to these little nail tip kits. So yeah. So we're gonna plug this up. Plug it up over here somewhere. Ooh, that's not gonna work. This cord is really short. All right, so I had to get an extension cord because the cord that comes with this, it's just so short that like my plug is right there and it was just too short to even reach over here so y'all can see. So what I'm gonna do is just do my normal prepping, pushing back cuticles, all that stuff that I normally do. All right, so I'm just gonna take this very flimsy nail file and yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the shine away. Or if you have a nail drill, you can do that, but this is what I'm doing. I want these nails to last, so I am going to apply dehydrator and primer. So next, I am just going to do like the instructions said. Oh, I am just gonna apply some of this. It didn't say to etch the inside or anything. So just gonna go ahead and apply this inside of the nail. Okay, this is a little more looser than I'm used to. I'm hoping that doesn't mean it's gonna run. So then I'm just going to try not to flood anything. I hate when I get a little bit on my skin. Oop. I need to start over because the tip fell. All right, let's try this again. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cure. Hopefully this is straight. Ooh, okay, it burns a little bit. This gel burns. Ooh, okay. Yeah, we gotta take that out a little bit. Okay, so it is straight. I'm gonna go ahead and let that cure under the lamp for, how long do they want us to cure? Okay, it says 60 to 90 seconds. The nail lamp stays on for 60 seconds and it cuts off after that time, and it feels sturdy. Can't complain about that. Okay, I was a little afraid that it was gonna be too short, but I think I can work with this. All right, so moving on. Okay, but I do find I'm gonna just cut it on because you gotta press it like it's not a sensor or anything. So you have to make sure it's on, especially if you're working on yourself. Ooh, this gel burn, y'all. I'm trying my best to not get any air bubbles on any of this because we hate air bubbles. I guess even though it doesn't really matter, I'm gonna paint over this anyway, but you know. Okay, that one is just a tinge crooked, but I think I can fix it with filing. All right, so moving on. But yeah, this gel is definitely a lot looser. I'm gonna try to show y'all like the viscosity. But yeah, it's a lot looser than others, so you'll have to move a little quicker. That didn't go on as pretty as I wanted it to. All right. I don't know though, the thinner, it is kind of working out. You know, it's not spilling too much. I can't say, you know, anything bad about the gel. Only that, you know, it may just be a little looser than the other stuff that you probably used. All right. But I love how quick and easy this process is. Like, if you want your nails done quick, this is the way to go. And from my experience, this lasts pretty well. So I'm hoping that this brand isn't gonna be any different. Ooh, it just burns. And last but not least is the thumb. I'd be so happy with how fast I could get through my nails. And for the most part, these nail tips don't feel weak or anything. You know, they're thin, but in a natural way, if that makes sense. And I didn't even have to file them like around the cuticle area. And I didn't have to do that this time. These fit my nails really well, so. I wouldn't say I have wide nails, but they aren't super skinny either. So I think if you do have wider nails, these may work for you because the sizes are very generous. I know a lot of people got on me about these not having off buttons. I know they cut off after 60 seconds, but if you're like me and you're working on your own hand, sometimes having this light on and having gel around, it could like cure the gel. So that's why I like these to turn off. So this one is like the Beatles one. It doesn't have an off button, but it does shut off after 60 seconds. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just gonna take my extension cord and be done with that. All right, so I do have the nails on, and just for safe measure, that lamp, I mean, it did feel like everything was cured, but I like to put it in a full-size lamp just to make sure that everything is completely cured before I get to filing and shaping. Those are looking so good. Sometimes when I do this method, I feel like I'm like cheating because the nails look so good, the shape be on point, and it only took me like 5 minutes to put these on. All right, so now I'm gonna do my shaping. Not too much because I wanna kind of keep some of the length. So we're just going to get rid of these little nubs. That was a little hard on this nail file, but it's getting the job done. It's just really thin. Next, I am just gonna buff the nails so my gel polish will stick to these nails. as I'm buffing and filing, the nails feel really sturdy, so not bad. So this is totally optional, but I want to go around my cuticle areas just to make sure that those are nice and flush. All right, so you want to be careful because I just cut myself, and I cut myself with a sanding band. I never do that. All right, so the filing and shaping is done. And so I'm gonna go in with this base coat. All right, so next I'm gonna go in with this gel polish. It's called Peachy. It is a really, really pretty glitter. So pretty. Like, gorgeous. Oh, that is so pretty. All right, so this is after 2 coats of that gel polish, and these are looking like acrylic nails. I am just amazed at how easy they're making like press-ons look like custom salon nails. But anyway, this is what it looks like, and I'm gonna go in with the Kiara Sky, this Picasso. This is one of their gel art liners, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of simple line work, nothing too crazy. I just want to outline actually, so wish me luck. Alright, so all of the line work is done, and I'm gonna just go ahead and put on my top coat so we can seal all of this in. All right, so now I am going to apply some charms. I really kind of want to match what's going on this hand. Not necessarily like match, but you know, I kind of want the theme to kind of be, I don't know, but I'm going for some charms. These charms I got from Glam Susie, and she makes the cutest little acrylic charms. Y'all, I strive to be this good one day. So until then, I'm gonna use charms. I'll leave her info down below, but amazing. I love these things. So then I'm just gonna apply this with some clear acrylic. I want these to be like really, really strong. And I find that the bigger the charms, you need acrylic to adhere it because it's gonna pop off. And I don't need it to pop off. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna apply a little bead of acrylic. It might be tinge too big, but like I said, I want to make sure that these stay on. Your girl gonna be out of town, so I need to make sure that my nails ain't gonna look ratchet. I'm just gonna place that down like that. Ah, that's so cute. Oh, the sad part about these charms is that once you use them, they're gone. Especially if you put them on with a bead of acrylic. But that's okay. I've been holding on to these for a long time, so I'm ready to use them. Oh, that's so cute. Then I'm gonna apply, I forgot how I said I was gonna do this. I always try to kind of have a placement of these charms in my head before I start, so I won't be fumbling. I think I said I was gonna put it like that, or maybe like that. Ugh, I hate when I don't know what I'm doing. So next I'm gonna go in with these little charms that I used on my other hand. Cause you know, I want these to be semi-cohesive. So we're just gonna put that there. Oh, okay, don't slide, don't slide. All right. I'm gonna leave that like that. Ooh, it's coming together. All right, so for the index finger, I'm gonna put this little donut on there. I want it on this side. And I'm just gonna slap that baby on. That is so cute. Okay, yeah, I'm happy now. Okay, yeah, I said I wanted to add another charm on my thumb just to make things equal. All right, we're gonna let that set. So I was thinking about adding some hearts. I don't know if I want that on there though. Nah, I'm gonna just keep it like it is. All right, so I'm gonna let these set and then I'm gonna go over them with some of the top coat. All right, so I got all the charms on there and this step is optional, but I like to put top coat on the bead of acrylic because it just looks better. I don't want to add too much bulk to the nail, so I'm only gonna use this nail art brush and we're gonna just put it on here like this. Cause I don't want to keep, you know, doing gel polish and then the nail starts to lose its shape. All right, those are cute. Oh, let me put my cuticle oil on first before I get to showing y'all up close. But yeah, go ahead and apply cuticle oil. All right, come on, focus. This is the finished look. Oh, these turned out really cute. And yes, I have a little coordination going on, you know, loosely, but y'all get it. But yeah, I am pleasantly surprised with the Tamika, what they call this, the clear acrylic nails tip. So I'm not sure if these are acrylic tips or gel tips, but they do feel sturdy. So, you know, I can't hate on that. If you like this video, check out my other Amazon nail kit videos. I'll have them linked somewhere right here. But I will talk to y'all later. Bye.